Housework refers to the regular tasks that need to be done in a house to keep it clean, organised and running smoothly. It's an essential part of everyday life, and it's important to know the vocabulary related to housework in order to communicate effectively in English. It's also really useful to narrate your life and say what you're doing. This can help you to think in English. As you see the phrases come up, repeat them. You can pause the video at any time and then repeat the sentences in context. Do the laundry. I need to do the laundry today. Iron. She needs to iron her clothes before going to school. Water the plants. I have to remember to water the plants before I go on holiday. Put away clothes. I put away my clothes after doing the laundry. Clean the bathroom. I have to clean the bathroom before the guests arrive. Pick up toys. I always remember to pick up my toys before bedtime. Sweep the floor. After dinner, I will sweep the floor to clean up the crumbs. I'll use the brush. Do the dishes. He did the dishes after the dinner party. Clean. Yesterday, I helped to clean the entire house before my guests arrived. Do the vacuuming. She does the vacuuming 3 times a week. Take out the trash. We always take out the trash after dinner. Hang out the laundry. I hung out the laundry. Dust. I must dust the surfaces and ornaments. It's filthy. Clean the windows. I'm cleaning the windows with the squeegee. What household chores do you do? Practice your speaking skills by saying what chores you're doing as you do them. I am cleaning the windows. I am dusting the furniture. I am taking out the rubbish. Subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Instagram for more pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, IELTS and PTE preparation.